Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be looking at the January 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit, The Key to My Heart. These are the 3 cards that you can make using the kit, if you follow the directions. But today, I am going to be showing you a couple of the alternates that I made using this kit, okay? But before we do that, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. I have here the Sunshine and Smiles February Paper Pumpkin Kit. You have until the 10th of February to subscribe to get this kit. It's going to make 9 cards. The ink spot is going to be Mango Melody. It coordinates with the Rain or Shine suite in the mini catalog, and it has an add-on that you can purchase for $6. It includes 2 dies that cuts out a frog and some flowers, okay? There is a link in the description box below for you to subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin. We would love to have you join the subscription of the Paper Pumpkin. It's celebration time. During celebration, you can earn some free products with your qualifying purchase. You can also join Stampin' Up and get some extra goodies. So during celebration, they are adding $50 more of product that you can choose into your kit, as well as giving you the option for $30 more to get the mini Stampin' and Cut and Emboss machine in either white or boho blue, which is a new in color coming up. Okay, so you can either pay the $99 plus tax and get $175 worth of product, or choose the option to get one of the minis and pay $129 plus tax and still receive $175 worth of product. Okay, I would love to have you join my team, Honeybee Stampin' Hive. Lastly, we have our January host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up. You can always find the current host code on my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com because it does change every month. Okay, that is all the buzzworthy business. So let's get into these alternates. So the first one we have here is this one, where I use the what is this? The frames. It is Fabulous Frames dies. And all I did was cut out a black frame to put on the card base and added some of the elements from the kit. Yep. And I don't think I decorated the inside of any of them, but that's just an alternate. All I did was really basically add that frame. Here's a center step card. I cut up one of the envelopes to add all these pieces, stamped some fresh freesia paper using fresh freesia ink. These little hearts came from another card that I used the framed florets dies on, and all the punched out hearts, I just added it to the cards, a few of the cards actually. So this is from the framed dies, the frame florets dies, if I can get those words out, that oval. And this is the inside of that one. It's cute, right? I like this card. Then next up, we have this one here. I really like this layout on this card. So this one includes some Calypso Coral, the vellum from the kit. This is the envelope from the kit, die cut with the Stylish Shapes dies. I used an embossing folder here. This was the Stripes and Splatters embossing folder on this little petal pink layer. Then I cut a piece of the one of the card fronts here and added a couple of those hearts like I did on this one here. Yeah, it's cute. I really like this layout. Next, we have a very simple card. This is using part of the envelope and elements from the kit. That's it. Yep. Cute. Of course, I made a shaker, but I wanted a full card. I seen, after I made this, I realized that they made a shaker on the alternate, for one of the alternate projects that was listed on the instruction sheet. But mine looks a little different than theirs, so I'm still happy with it. But you know, guys, I love a shaker, and I'm using the for everything fancy sequence inside of there. And what I did was I actually have 2 pieces of window sheet that I put this key in between 2 window sheets so that it wouldn't get taken off the top if I glued it to the top of the window sheet. And I didn't want it on the inside to be underneath the sequence. So yeah. Then this one is a very cute, simple card. I really like it. I used the twine to wrap around. This is part of the other half of the card front from that. Very simple, but I really like it. Next, we have this one. This is so cute. I used the cane embossing, the cane weave embossing folder back in the background on the black. I used the, what is this? The brush shaped dies for these 2 hearts. I fussy cut one of the stamps, the keys that I stamped, and fussy cut it out to make, like, you know, 3 keys there. This circle in the background is actually the piece that popped out of this card front. So that piece that was there, that's what is in the background of this. This is from one of the original cards, this Fresh Freesia piece. Then I did the frame again from the Fabulous Frames dies and Mango Melody. Yep, that's cute. Then this is the card where I got all those tiny hearts from, using the Frame Florets bundle on this one, because I actually did some stamping and heat embossing in gold. I thought this was really cute. This is Sweet Sorbet with the petal pink and the gold. And I used the Stampin' Blends to color. Yep. Added a couple of those hearts on this one as well. Gold leaf in the back. And then the last one I have here is using the frame that I cut out when I made this oval. I used the frame here. In the background is the Time Worn Type embossing folder. A couple of those hearts are added here as well. Gold embossing and colored with the blends. I really like this card. And this again is Sweet Sorbet, Petal Pink, and Basic Black. So this one card front made 3 cards, I do believe, yes. So I used the oval in the middle on this one, the frame on that one, and then the rest of it on this. So you can make quite a bit of cards if you want with your kit, or you can just make them as they come. But I like doing alternates just to give you different ideas to have with your, you know, with your kit. But that's all I have for you today. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.